Good morning. It's Friday. My name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day. Specifically, it's Friday, September 9th. How you doing? Today's tip comes from Keith Mitnick's Deeper Cuts, systems that simply work from winning workups to thumbs up verdicts. The cost for doctors to spend a short amount of time in the big scheme of things trying to help with an injury that can't be cured pales in comparison to the human cost of having to live with an injury around the clock for a lifetime. That is why using a multiple of 5 to 10 times the medical expenses is a fair and reasonable measuring stick. Oh, that's interesting. I've often said to juries that here's the medical cost. I usually don't put in medical bills, but usually like a life care plan. Here's the economic cost, and that's the least of the harm here. Much bigger is the pain and suffering or the grief or what's been taken from the family, and so that needs to be a bigger number than the economics. And here, Keith Mitnick's talking about 5 to 10 times. That's interesting. Um, I think a lot of people have in mind 3 times the medical bills. I just did a focus group on a quadriplegic case, and in that case, I heard from several people: $13 million life care plan, 3 times the medical bills, 39 million plus the 13 million, 52 million. Um, it's not just in the muscle injury cases; people have that in mind. Um, so that's interesting. If the human cost is bigger than the economic cost, it's not just bigger, but how much bigger? 3 times, 5 times, 10 times? 10 times is not unreasonable. $130 million. Yeah, I'm going to try that. Thanks, Keith. It actually makes sense when you think about it that way. So we're all learning here with these trial guides tips. Are you enjoying them? If so, put the comment in the bottom or right below here, or say hello. I appreciate it. All right, let's take a deep breath and be grateful to be alive this Friday. May the work we do today help to reduce suffering in the world, to repair the world, to accomplish justice. May we work in a way that reduces suffering in our life. May we work with joyful effort, right? So the work we can do can be very serious, and there's a way in which it can drain our energy. And there's another way in which it can replenish us. This is something I explore in the Zen Lawyer workshops I've put on with Rince and Roshi and Joshua Carton. We work on energy and how you can protect yourself, but not in a way that you don't get in. You still get in, but you can not let it take a piece of you with you, or to minimize that at least. In any event, it's possible for this work we do, and I would ask you to not let it destroy your life. We can get so deep into it. So there's a way to get deep into it and to do so in a way that we enjoy, right? That's nourishing and life affirming. So that's my wish for you, for all of us, that we can have fun while we're doing this work. All right. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This will take you into your Friday. You can start a meditation practice or prayer practice, or just remind you, go out, have fun, dig in, and do good work. Have a great weekend.